Welcome to the Answers for Elders radio show. Meet the trusted experts who will give you straight answers and will help guide you on the path of later life care. Now, here's your host, founder, caregiver, and CEO, Suzanne Newman.
And welcome back, everyone, to Answers for Elders radio network, heard across the USA. And we are here with America's favorite moving and storage company, especially my favorite, Jordan River Moving and Storage, Sean Joseph, the CEO. And Sean and I are talking about senior moves, the overwhelming side of it, how it has, how it impacts the family, how things can be handled in the most professional, amazing way. And the last segment, we talked about things to, the warning signs of if, unfortunately, the moving industry can have people that are unscrupulous. And certainly we want to make sure that our seniors are protected, their families are protected. And so, Sean, I'm so glad you're here with us today. I want to talk about just how do you get started? If you're going to start moving and you're going to start packing, how's the best way to do that?
So for us, for example, when customer ask me, what would you like us to be prepared for you at the delivery? I say, if you want it to be fast and smooth, we would like to see boxes and furniture. Okay. So the boxes will be all packed and taped on the top, nicely, closed, flat, not items sticking up. Because our guys will come in, take all the boxes immediately to the truck and be fast because they're working fast. Then we will handle the furniture for you. We will disassemble the bed. We will take off the leg of the dining room table. And we're going to wrap all your furniture with heavy-duty moving blanket, okay? And we'll take it to the truck. So what's important here? What's the preparation as a customer needs to prepare? Do your own packing, clear out spaces. If you leave the room with the bed in the middle, like we had last week, bed in the middle, all around it was a lot of mess, from clothes, stuff. The movers was calling me and said, guys, take the bed, disassemble, take it slowly, and it is what it is. But that's not how it's supposed to be. That's not a good move to be prepared. And if it's a local move, it will take forever, and it costs you a lot more money.
Yep.
All the cleaning, do all what you want to get rid of before the mover's coming. We'll come in, we will see the pad that we're working in, we will cover that. We have carpet protector, hardwood protector. We'll protect the area that we need to work and start working. We're not coming to waste time. The mover doesn't like to stand and do nothing. This is not our things to do.
Right.
So boxes and furniture, that's what we would like to see. If you cannot find boxes, we will gladly supply boxes. Yes, you pay for the boxes. We have some coupon. You can get some boxes for free. We have used boxes in good condition that we always keeping.
I love that.
50% off on those boxes. We delivering the boxes to you with no charge. We're just charging for the boxes. We can come a few times because we want you to be prepared. Do your own packing. We'll give you the tape. We're not charging for the tape. So, and we'll show you the person that will come and deliver the box. We'll show you how to open the box, how to tape the box properly. We will give you smart tape so you can mark in all the boxes which room they came from, so we will know which room to deliver into at the destination. Because the preparation is the most important. Customer ask, I answer all the time. The better you prepare, the easier, smoother, and money saving you will be. That's as simple as it is.
Exactly.
We can do it all. We can come and arrange that. It just costs more money.
And I love how you take the time with with seniors and with families to educate them on how to save money, how they can do things to, keep their move, the most easiest possible financially on them. And I think that's the part that you guys go the extra mile with that most people don't do. And Sean, tell us a little bit about what areas in the US that you serve.
So we based in Washington. We have office in South Carolina. We're working so statewide, move within state. We license in Washington, Oregon, and South Carolina. That's to do move within the state.
Mm-hmm. Right.
But if senior wants to move within any state, including Alaska, Hawaii, and international, because we are also doing a lot of international move to different countries, we can work in any state. You want to move
fabulous.
From North Carolina to Portland, Oregon, or from Texas to Nebraska, we can help you with all those moves.
Yeah.
In state, Washington, Oregon, and for now, South Carolina, that's where we have the license to work locally. So, but regardless, you have question, go on our website, use the chat, we'll answer, even if you're not using us, really. If you want to use a moving company in different state, you're not quite sure. Ask. I will do the research for you. I can tell you immediately
Bless your heart.
Honest opinion, not just tell you, hey, look like legit company. Okay, they maybe the move will not be perfect, but at least I can tell you they're not scam. Okay, they're a legit company. We know how to look. We know how to find out. We have network all around the United States in order to educate. Because for us, it's the most important is educating the consumer. That's why on our website, people should take the time and read the blog. The blog is important. We put informative and helpful blogs for the consumer. Stay away mostly from reviews and stuff like that because of all the issues with reviews right now around the state. That a lot of fake going on until Google will take a handle of the situation, which I think they are trying. I've seen something. So ask neighbors, ask friends, and get advice. We're always ready and willing to help, whether you use us or not. Really, it doesn't cost anything to help you. We want to protect you.
Time to get back to Suzanne and more Answers for Elders.
I would like to thank again Sean Joseph from Jordan River Moving and Storage. That's Jordan, like Jordon, River Moving and Storage. And how you reach them is www.jordanrivermoving.com. And remember, Jordan River Moving is licensed for local moves in Washington, Oregon, and South Carolina, and they can do moves across the USA or across interstate moving as well. So again, you can call Sean from his website. And also, I want to make sure that you know they specialize in moving seniors. And thank you again, Sean, for being on the show.
We at Answers for Elders thank you for listening. Did you know that you can discover hundreds of podcasts in our library on senior care? So visit our website and discover our decision guides that will help you also navigate decision making. Find us at answersforelders.com.